G'day guys, my name's iRideTaz. It's freezing cold winter's day. This is Project Gilby the Budget Bobber build, and today I'm going to take this rubber sheet that I bought from Bunnings. This section here was about $4. I'm going to use it to create a seat pan to cover the battery and the electronics. Previously I've used a piece of inner tube rubber, and ultimately this is going to be thicker and it'll give me a chance to sort of cover that area in permanently. First thing, we'll just get the seat out of the way. That'll lift up out of the way. Start by cutting a section out of it that's easy to work with. Got 3 or 4 times as much as I need. Back to about there. Cool. So I'm using rubber because the way that I've mounted the seat means that I don't need a solid seat pan, because I've got these connected to the frame, so it takes out the need for a solid seat pan here that most other people use. And the rubber is much easier to work with in the backyard with hand tools in the driveway. Guys, this is how today's project turned out. This is rubber I bought from Bunnings. It's about a 50 centimeter by the length roll. It's about $4 or $5, and I've just messed about with some scissors and a Sharpie, or what we call a permanent texture, and just molded it to Gilby, and I've put it under the seat bracket. I've tucked it in under here by cutting a lip to mount that. All dead easy, all the stuff that you guys can do in your driveway with a minimum of fuss and hassle and expertise. All up, it took me 25 minutes, and realistically, I'm pretty happy with it. It's come out better than I expected, and it's a very, very low budget modification. So this is obviously not going to work if you want to mount your seat and your springs to the seat pan, but if you follow my build and have used the metal bracket to the standard seat position, this is going to work a treat. And in my opinion, this is all you need to protect the electrics, the battery, CDI, all the stuff that hides in that area. Guys, I'm pretty happy with that. That is certainly fits the profile of budget bobber build, that's for sure. Guys, my name's iRideTaz. Till next time, I am